This is my new bike, Kawasaki Kx 100. This is going to be the last startup before I do a complete teardown. And yeah, it's a pretty fucking sweet bike, and I'm ready to be two-stroking this summer. It's fucking sweet. Ying, da ding, ding, ding. Give her a quick start and then bring her back in and start tearing her apart. Oh god. She should fire right up because she's a top. Let's see here. Yep. Oh, she's a little cold. Let her warm up a bit. Let her warm up a bit. About an hour and a half, 2 hours later, we got the motors out. She's on bench. Two-strokers. Mint. Ready for fucking full crazy rebuilds. Everything's gonna be so fucking mint on this bike. I'm gonna love it. Mint. Look at it, it's fucked! Why would you put that bolt in there, dude? And look, the other one isn't even the same. It's fucking some random stupid fucking thing that's not even meant to be there. Like, god damn it, engine kids, get your fucking shit together. Look, mass cracked cases. We have cracked case down there. Mass cracked. Oh, and guess what's over here too? Fucking cracked case. Just got it stripped down to the frame now. Gonna get it painted here soon. Got all the pieces off, they're all in that box. All the remaining parts, looks like a lot, even though there's pretty much nothing left on the bike. And yeah, put all that down in the basement. I should be painting the frame. Good night, motor builds. Finally got cases off that are fucked. Just old shitty crank bearings. Yeah, it's very, very greasy crank bearings. So I got brand new ones there for it. Cylinders alright. Rest of it there. Trans and stuff is in there. Trans. Just doing a little clutch basket filing. She ain't supposed to look like that. She's supposed to look like that and be nice and full. There's old clutches, I'll keep those for spare, but I got brand new clutches to put in as well, so. Yup, she'll be mint. Got the rest of the motor back together, now I'm just putting the top end on. And that's what that should look like. Power valves are all cleaned out, they work mint now. Power valves are mint. Yep, they work good. They're ready to put her in right now, and she should be ying to dinging either tonight or tomorrow. Not sure, but we'll see. Monster fucking foot pegs are installed, and they look crazy as fuck. Insane. They're literally gigantic. Just topping up with fluids now, got everything done, ready for first cold start. Oh buddy, I'm so excited. Put some gas in it, let the gas run into the carb, and then ying da ding 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 da ding 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 da ding 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 da ding da ding. Factories. Back to factory. Dylan. This is it, final project. She's fucking alive, running mint. She working fucking good. Just breaking her in right now, letting her idle for a bit. She's running great. This is awesome. you.